using the piece of crap phone. Why is it a piece of crap? It looks way better than your 2013 Handycam. Oh yeah? What is this shit? Anyway, yeah. No one's gonna like the video because I said shit. Anyway, here's the condition. Filthy. Gonna take the guards off right now. My main complaint is the audio sucks. It sounds wet, and the further away you get, the worse it sounds. Here's the inside. And yeah, this is a not a later one, an earlier one, because it doesn't have the stupid skinny cabinet. It's too zoomed in. What a piece of crap phone. Oh God, that's bad. Damn, that's terrible. Hopefully I could get the blade off so I can take the motor apart after I blow it out. Let me get the camcorder. This sucks.